Hi, we often get asked if you can hear the different sounds of the exhaust with and without baffles. There's actually three options on this type of exhaust. You can obviously have it with no baffle fitted at all, or you can have the supplied standard high performance baffle we offer, which is a big bore straight through type. Or we do a smaller bore, which with a diverted end plate and 6 small holes in, which is quite a bit quieter, but obviously that's not as high flow, and you will get a very small reduction in performance with that type, but it is quite a bit quieter. So we'll start it up now with no baffle in so you can hear it, and then we'll try the other two baffles in as well.